Hello and howdy friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and help me in first aid. Later I will carry you soon in a new journey of story. The heart's battlefield. Now let's go! In a quaint town nestled by mountains, Evelyn and Jack were childhood sweethearts. Their love story was one of the rare, enduring bonds that seem unbreakable. Jack, a brave soldier, was dedicated to serving his country, while Evelyn was a compassionate nurse, devoted her life to healing others. They shared dreams of building a life together, filled with love and laughter. But life had other plans. Jack was deployed to a war-torn country, leaving Evelyn behind with a heart full of worry and hope. Despite the distance, their love never wavered. They wrote letters to each other filled with the dreams of their future, promises of everlasting love, and words of encouragement. One fateful day, Jack's unit was ambushed. He was critically injured, fighting for his life in a distant hospital. When Evelyn received the news, her world shattered, but her love for Jack gave her the strength to fight her own battle. She took a leave of absence from her job, gathered her savings, and flew to be by his side. Evelyn spent every waking moment at Jack's bedside, nursing him back to the health. She whispered words of love and encouragement, her presence a beacon of hope in his darkest hours. Slowly but surely, Jack began to recover, his strength returning with each passing day. One evening, as the sun set over the hospital courtyard, Jack looked at Evelyn with tears in his eyes. He said, "You saved me, Evelyn. Your love brought me back." Evelyn smiled, her heart swelling with love and pride. "We save each other, Jack," she said. "Our love is our greatest strength." Their story spread throughout the town, a testament to the power of love and determination. Jack and Evelyn returned home stronger and more united than ever. They continued to support each other, facing life challenges together, their love an unbreakable force. In last, moral of the story is, true love has a power to overcome every greatest challenges. It gives us the strength to fight battle both seen and unseen, and remind us that together we can conquer anything. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.